Hey guys, my name is Will, and this is going to be a startup of the furnace at our cottage. I actually don't know what brand it is. It's just like one of those unbranded, and then the installer puts their name on the thing. So that's what this is going to be. So I'm just going to prop up the camera here, and let me go turn on. Okay, so reducer's on. Have to igniter come on in just a few seconds. There it goes. We have flames. Alright, so let's take a look at the install here. So it's a pretty bad install. So right here we have a return that just turns into flex there and goes up. So that's that. This is the flex return here. This goes right there, and then there's a return right there in the kitchen. Have the plenum with a sheet metal run with flex, or sheet metal trunk with flex runs coming off. Same thing over here. It's not very well installed, like that sort of duct tape. It's just not perfect, but it works. It works well, actually. Small 3 burners, very small unit. The exhaust coming out of the top, right into the chimney. Main supply plenum. We will be adding an air conditioner to this in the spring. I think I'm going to go with a pane. So maybe we'll have a pane air conditioner install video coming up in the future. So yeah. Okay, so this is our Emerson Wi-Fi thermostat. It's a Sensi. So we have the heat up and down. Set to 70. Here we have a little button. That's just to turn on the backlight. And have the fan auto on, heat off and cool, and all around heat. And then we have, you can set a schedule, but since we're just using this at our cottage, we don't use the schedule. So we just have that set to off. Here's our supply vents blowing out really nice warm air. That's good. And then we have a return right here. So this is just a small return. And another return here. It's interesting how they put the screen inside it. Don't really know why they did it. We'll take that out. It's just duct board under there. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.